Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And earlier today, I made this 3D looking text. And then I made this one just playing around this afternoon. It's kind of a neat idea. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this text and we're going to make it, well, let's don't do anything yet. Let's hit the plus key on the keyboard and nudge out of the way a couple of times. Then from then on, don't ever move this because so you can nudge that back. Let's Control D and make a duplicate of this text, and let's run it over here. Then make that outside blue and make this like a gray. And then if we grab both those texts, we can open up the blend docker and let's blend it 150 times. Doesn't matter how many, the more times you blend it, the even the pattern is. Don't really have to do anything to it, but I'm going to go ahead and break the blend apart. Then we can take our text and nudge it over, and you have kind of a 3D looking text in a way. Pretty cool. I might have gone a little bit too far, but you can always change that back. And I was trying to get a darker effect. So let's back up here and make this one actually darker and then see what it does. So we'll grab them all and blend it. That might look better. Don't have to do it, but we're going to go object break blend apart just in case we ever do anything else with it. And that looks pretty cool. It actually looks like some shadowing from the other letters. And you don't have to go that far. I went to a little bit of an extreme, putting that off there, so you could not go quite as far. And then let's go ahead and make that, let's make this one white this time, and I'll show you the difference. I'm going to go and put an outline around it so I can see it. And then we're going to go and blend it again. Then we can take away the outline by right-clicking. Now we've got a white-looking subject. And we put our text on top. And then you can change the color of that text to really anything you want, a lighter blue. That looks pretty good. And so now your white accents are white, where a while ago they were a darker. That would look pretty good printed on a t-shirt. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.